Imagine gliding through a paradise of rolling hills, tea estates, and misty mountains. This is the Kandy to Ella train, Sri Lanka's most iconic railway journey. Today, we're diving deeper into this enchanting route, revealing fascinating unknown facts that will leave you in awe. The Kandy to Ella train isn't just a ride, it's an experience that connects you to Sri Lanka's soul. But did you know that this route wasn't initially built for tourism? In the late 19th century, this railway was constructed by the British to transport tea from the Central Highlands to Colombo's ports. Tea was the lifeblood of the colonial economy, and this railway played a vital role in shaping Sri Lanka's global tea dominance. Construction of the railway wasn't an easy feat. Engineers faced landslides, dense forests, and unpredictable weather. The section between Kandy and Ella is particularly remarkable, with over 50 tunnels and countless bridges. Tunnel number 18, famously known as the Black Bridge Tunnel, has legends of being haunted by workers who perished during its construction. Perhaps the most photographed spot on the route is the Nine Arches Bridge, also called the Bridge in the Sky. This architectural masterpiece was built entirely of stone bricks and cement, without a single piece of steel. During World War I, steel was scarce, so engineers turned to local resources, creating a bridge that still stands strong over a century later. Interestingly, the stations along the route have stories of their own. Take Patapola, the highest railway station in Sri Lanka, sitting at an altitude of 1,898 meters. Here, the air is cool, and the scenery shifts dramatically, from tropical forests to misty plains. It's a place where you can literally feel the change in climate as you ascend. Another little-known fact is the culinary delight on board. Vendors hop on at various stations, offering delicious Sri Lankan treats like wade, cutlets, and spicy samosas. The food isn't just a snack, it's a cultural experience. Then there's the engineering marvel of the Demodara Loop. This ingenious design allows the train to complete a full loop and pass under the same track it just crossed. It's one of only a few such loops in the world, a testament to the brilliance of the engineers who built it. The train's leisurely pace is deliberate, allowing passengers to soak in the breathtaking scenery. But did you know that the open doors and windows, now iconic for photography, were not originally intended for tourism? In the past, locals used them to transport goods and livestock. Over time, this feature became a favorite among travelers seeking those postcard-perfect shots. The Kandy to Ella train isn't just a journey through Sri Lanka's landscapes. It's a ride through its history, culture, and heart. Whether it's the legends of haunted tunnels, the ingenuity of the Demodara Loop, or the stories behind the stations, this journey is packed with mysteries waiting to be discovered. So, next time you're on this train, look beyond the beauty and uncover the secrets that make it so extraordinary. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite moment from the Kandy to Ella journey. Until next time, keep exploring.